Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. With my mini savings, I have 6 saving challenges here from different creators. With these 6 challenges, I save for my sinking funds, and my sinking funds is just revolving categories that I have that I put money in, and also when we need it, we take money out. So let's get the savings. So I have $50 here, and I have, I think it's 3 $5 bills as savings boost. And let's get started. So let's roll my 6-sided die, which is going to tell me where to place the money. How are you guys doing? I am having a great week. I am off today, so that is great. So I am getting some filming done, getting some editing done. Okay, 3 taking all the money. All right, 3. Dang, 3. Show them, share the love. I think we're gonna actually finish one today. Oh, this is 4. So everybody got a little money, so that's good. And the last 2 bills is 2. So I think we got one more Monday in March. So the last mini Monday of March, I will count up how many completed challenges here I have done, and we will put it towards reallocate it towards a sinking fund. And that's how I love to do it. So I give myself about a month to finish as many savings as I can. So the first one is here. This is created by Budget with Carly. Just drinking my coffee and trusting the universe. Each star I made is $2, saves a total of $30. And today I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10. And I still have not got my buyback 5s, which is like, have not had a chance to go to the bank. I forgot that quick how much I had. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, $10. So we can do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. And so far we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. All right, that is good on that one. All right, next we have Doodle Dollars. You're my lucky charm. This saves $31. And this is the one that got all the money. It got 2 savings boosts. And all we need is 2, 4, 5, $6. Wow. And it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and $20. So we are going to take the $6 and put the roll over here because we might complete a challenge. All right, so let's go ahead and color this in. So 2, 4, 5, and 6. And it should be $31. So we have 20, 25, 31. All right. And gems, that is a completed challenge. Yes. So let's go ahead and get a new challenge. Let's do another Doodle Dollars. Yes, let's do another Doodle Dollars. So this one is one cute chick. So that made, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make each one $2. Yes, that would be 32. Oh goodness. $32. hot mess. All right. Next we have the excavator. This is created by Diet Outlaw Games and Budgets. I made each circle $2, saving 36, and they got 1, 2, 3, and $4. So we are doing 2 of them. Correct. And let's see, how much do we have? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Next is, this is created by Party Planner Papery, and this says 26. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So we got 2, 4, 6, and 8. Exactly what we needed. Yes. And let's make sure we have 26. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And guess what, gems? That is another completed challenge. Ah! Oh dear. Knocking stuff over. So let's go ahead and do this one. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And it's a cute little chick here in the eggs. Cute, cute, cute. All right. And next we have this challenge here. And this is created by me. You can find this in my Etsy. And it says 30. And I got $2. So I am going to shade in 2. And guess what? I am going to borrow another $2 from here. So we can go ahead and complete this one. So let's make sure we have $30. What they say, you rob Peter to pay Paul. Well, I'm robbing Sam to pay for savings. So this would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, we are doing the thing today. And gems, that is another completed challenge. Look at that. All right, so we need another one. Did I bring enough? All right, let's put another one of mine in here. So this and this one comes in like a group of 3. So it's a digital download, as I said, in my Etsy. All right. Next one we have, this one is created by Plan to Save Design, Spring Bloom Dreams Bloom. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So let's do 2, 4, and 6. Perfect. And let's see how much we have so far. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Ooh. So the question is, we still have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 left. So I am going back to this one. And I am going to 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm going to go ahead and finish this one. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So let's do 5. Hold on, which? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. And this should be 30. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Perfect. And gems, that is another completed challenge. All right, so let's add in another one. And let's do, oh, look at that, one left. And let's do this one by Budget with Carly. And let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do each one $2. Yes. All right. So we still have $4 left. Where should we put it? Since this one only got a little bit, should I put it here? So let's put do a different color. So let me put 2 here. So let's put 2 in here. And let's put 2 in here. So that I can color 1 and 2. Perfect. All right. And let's put, we finish. Oh no. Oh no. I'm losing stuff. So we finished 1, 2, 3, 4 challenges today. Yay. And I am adding that to my completed saving challenge pouch here. And these are all the ones I saved so far for March. What is up with this paper clip? I'm just gonna get a new one. There we go. And so this is all the mini challenges so far for March. I think this has been the most. So I will share with you guys next week. So stay tuned of which categories those will get reallocated to and how much in total with just $50 a week. I was able to save with just these mini challenges, which some were free digital downloads and different creators, Kofi shop, or in free with an Etsy purchase. So yeah, we got all those put in there. So stay tuned for next week when I show you guys that. So thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.